Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to post high quality stories on Instagram. It's just very easy to do, so make sure you watch this till the very end so you won't miss any of the steps. Now, first thing you're gonna do is open up your Instagram app. Then you will need to click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Then you're gonna click on the hamburger icon at the top right, and then click on settings and privacy, and then here scroll down and press the data usage and media quality. Now you have to select the mobile data usage option, and then once you select that, in the high resolution media you will press the mobile and the Wi-Fi, and you can also enable the upload at highest quality. After that, just hop into your mobile settings. Then here scroll down and go to apps. Then press on system app settings and go to camera. And here, ensure that you have enabled the quality, it is high. So you will be able to post high quality stories. To post high quality stories, you have to take pictures and videos in maximum resolution. So this is how you can post high quality stories on Instagram. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below, and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!